guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to redact on Adobe Acrobat. So first, of course, head over and launch Adobe Acrobat and start opening up a file with information you would like to redact. Next is head over and click on the search bar and type in Redact. And here you can see the Redact tool. Click on it. And here in the left panel, you can see variety of options that you can redact. You can redact text and images. You can also redact pages, and you can also redact, or you can also find text and redact. You can also set properties and sanitize document. This tool is especially important if you would like to permanently remove sensitive information in your file. And to get started, head over and click on Redact Tool. Then in your file, just highlight the text or element you would like to redact. And this is how it looks like. And to completely redact this text or element, head over and click on the Apply button. A window will then pop up that flashes a warning that this will permanently remove the redacted information from this document. And once you save this document, you won't be able to retrieve the redacted information. So before you proceed, take this precaution. And to proceed with reduction, head over and press the continue button. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!